So this is how we can lower the iPhone photo size. So if you go to the gallery of your images and you tap on one picture, you can always swipe up on it and check out how much it's taken up. So as you can see, this is of this resolution and the size is 266 kilobytes. So it's not much, but if you want to lower it down, you can use some third-party apps which essentially compress the photo size and make it smaller. One of the app which I would recommend you to use is when you go to the search. This one is for videos. I mentioned it in the other tutorial I made, but you can look up the term which is compress photo. This is the term you need to look up into the App Store, and the blue icon, which you can see like the compressing of the image, is the one I would recommend you to get. I'm not affiliated with it or anything. I just tried it and it worked well for me. So you can get inside and open it up, then click on select photos, and you can click on select all of the pictures, right? And it will essentially make the gallery pull up from your phone. So we need to find the image which we want to lower down the size of. So it was the picture out of the window. So I believe it was this one. And you can see that I can select it, 240 kilobytes. It's selected. I click on next, and right now I can lower the quality as well as dimensions of the photo. So as you can see, when I lower it down like this, it's gonna turn from 240 kilobytes to just 21, right? But I can make it go even smaller, right? Make the quality acceptable, right? I guess it would be fine, but let me just get it to like great quality and at this resolution. So it's going to turn from 240 kilobytes to 30 kilobytes. I'm going to click on compress like this. I might get an ad, which is fine. It's a free app, whatever. I'm going to wait through it, right? So you can see the line filling up like that. I'm going to close the ad, and now the picture is finished. So when I go to the gallery, the latest image at the bottom, you can see is this one, and it's going to be much smaller. So this time it is just 30 kilobytes. So this is exactly how you can compress and lower the size of the photos on your iPhone. So I hope it helps. That's essentially how it would work. Hit the thumbs up if it did work for you. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.